Today we're going to install a much needed outdoor hose bib right here. We've been living in this house for about 14 years, and every time we want to do anything in the front lawn with watering or anything, we have to bring the hose all the way from the back to the front. Let's fix that by installing the hose bib. See how well we do. The hose bib I picked up is a SharkBite 12-inch frost-resistant hose bib. What makes this faucet great is that the shutoff valve is located at the end that goes inside the house, which prevents the water in the pipe from freezing over. The first thing you want to do is find the location where you want to drill your hole. Look for reference points like the corner of the house or the distance from a window to help you land in the right spot. Next, drill a pilot hole from the outside in, making sure it hits the area where you plan to connect the water line. Then, drill your full-size hole using a hole saw or masonry bit, depending on your exterior material. I recommend a 1 1/4 inch bit. The 1 3/8 inch bit I saw recommended online made the hole larger than necessary. When drilling, angle the hole about 5 degrees downward toward the outside of the house. This lets any residual water drip out after you shut the valve instead of it sitting in the pipe. I was lucky that a water line had already been run to the front of the house because we're on a slab foundation with no basement access. If you do have a basement, just tie into an existing water line and run it to your hose bib location. Before connecting the hose bib to the water line, mark your hole locations on the wall and mount the bib first. Then connect it to the water line. When cutting the pipe, make sure you leave enough length to fully seat both fittings. Once everything is connected, apply silicone or waterproof caulk around the faucet where it meets the exterior wall. On the inside, I used Great Stuff expanding foam to fill the gap around the pipe. Turn your water back on, check for leaks, and that's it. You've got a fully functional outdoor hose bib ready to go. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.